Can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. I'm pretty much showing you guys how to use it. So first off, you can pretty much go at the top here to go ahead and select your servers. As you can see here, it will just give you information about your servers, or you can just tap on this option here where you pretty much be able to select your servers, unlike the top option. Anyways, as you can see here, this is pretty much all the servers available for you to use. These are pretty much the free servers. And if I do tap on the high-speed server section, these are pretty much the fastest servers which you can use. These are VIP servers. As you can see here, quite a few VIP servers which you can use with these applications here. So if you do get your subscription, you'll be able to use these servers, but for now, you pretty much be able to use the free servers, as you can see here. So I do recommend selecting the one with the lowest MS, which will in turn give you the better speed. So let's go ahead and select the one with the better MS. We'll ask for connection request once you have selected the server that you want to use. Just tap on OK, and it will start connecting in no time. As you can see here, I'm already connected. So that's how simple it is to use this very simple VPN application. And you may see an ad. All you have to do is let it load for a bit, and then you go ahead and exit off. So very easy VPN application to use. You can see here, just go ahead and we'll just show this here. Just give it a few and you'll be able to remove it. Might redirect it to Google Play Store. Just go ahead and exit off here. So as you can see here, the ads are completely removed. But once you do connect it to the VPN connection, you're pretty much good to go. You can browse the internet and so forth. So as it relates to the subscription, for you to get a subscription, you can go in the server section and go in the high speed section as well that I've shown you guys earlier, and tap on any one of those VIP servers and it will just redirect you to your subscription page. But you can also tap on this option where it says boost and you'll be able to find your subscription page and can see what you're getting as it relates to your subscription. So that's really pretty much it for that. And down here it will tell you the price level here, a subscription, a monthly subscription, and a weekly subscription. And they do any of this offer here where it does give you, I think it's a 7 days free trial, I'm not sure, but yeah, once the 7 days is up, then you will start paying the weekly, monthly, or the yearly, whatever the case is. So that's really pretty much it for this VPN application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you out. See you in the next one.